Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, starting with the name of Allah, which is specially merciful and entirely merciful. Today our topic is symmetric matrix. A matrix is called symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to A. Let's have an example. If we have a matrix A 1, 2, 2, minus 1 into bracket, if we take its transpose, which is denoted by AT, so first row become first column 1, 2, second row become second column 2 minus 2 minus 1. So if you compare both of them, we have the same result, 1, 2, 2 minus 1. So we can say A is equal to A transpose, and this kind of matrix is called symmetric matrix. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.